Hi, my name is Elin. I'm a WordPress expert, and today we are explaining the WordPress dashboard. This is a real tutorial that took place with one of my clients. And now, once you're in the dashboard, from time to time, you're going to see a bunch of notices. So the first one there, you should click clear cache, because that means something's been activated or deactivated last time. We'll do a whole video about caching and performance at another point as well. Now, so I'm just going to click clear cache. Clear cache, click it. Now, these alerts you should pay attention to generally. The page will refresh and it will say cache cleared. The next alert underneath, please click dismiss this notice, because we don't need to see that notice.
This one right here?
Not the one in the middle. The next one up.
Oh,
yep.
Right
Dismiss
here.
notice. Gotcha. That's saying that your particular page builder needs particular plugins. We're not using that page builder because it sucks. We're using Beaver Builder. We'll do a whole thing about that. So once you log into your dashboard, this is generally what you'll see. Down the middle of there, it'll tell you how many posts you've got, how many pages you've got, the theme you're running, which is the videographer theme, and what version of WordPress you're running. You'll see these two little orange bubbles with updates and plugins. If you want to click on where it says updates, it's going to tell you what on your site you could be updating yourself.
Okay.
Now, the updates you should be able to run. If you were to click on Elementor you have installed, yes, you should click on click that box and then click update plugins. And that will then start a backup. So on your site, it's set up to automatically make a backup of the particular part that's affected by your site in order for you to actually make sure that if you make a mistake in the update, you can roll back. That's important. If you don't have a big giant undo button, you're going to be in all sorts of trouble if something goes wrong when you're self-managing a website.
Okay.
So this is the dashboard. This is what you'll see when you first log into WordPress. It'll bring up alerts and things like that. So you've got welcome to WordPress. You can dismiss that, in my opinion.
Okay.
Now, the next time you come back in, it'll look like this. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is on the top right-hand side, you've got a thing called screen options and help. Can you please click on screen options?
Gotcha.
This will let you customize your dashboard to how you want to see it. So every WordPress site should have an individual user account for every individual person on the site, because they can customize the look and feel. It also helps people in terms of be accountable for what they're doing. So a lot of this stuff you can probably turn off. It's up to you. Like events, GoDaddy Garage, all that sort of stuff is probably not really relevant to you.
Okay.
Then I would click the screen options back up.
There you go.
Now, the next thing you'll notice is help. WordPress actually used to be terrible for this, but things have gotten a lot better. So click on the far right-hand side, the help drop down. There's now proper help for every single page in WordPress. So it'll talk about what you're seeing on that page and where to get support and extra help from. Okay. So it's quite straight. So I hope that explains a good lesson in WordPress and the dashboard. Check out ey3.com.au for more special videos like this and special offers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.